Hey, I hope you had fun building the Treasure Island project. Now, remember that the most important thing when it comes to programming and learning this new skill is to really make the code your own. So with this project, really the sky's the limit. You can take your creativity and run with it. Make the story your own, change it up, change the game. Make it something that you imagine it to be. And I can't wait to play your game. So once you've created your own version, be sure to share it in the comments below so we can all play it and we can all admire your hard work. So have a go at that, and I'll see you tomorrow.